Shawn from Clearly Windows again. We're here in Gig Harbor, actually on Fox Island. We're going to be doing windows and screens here. Well, I'm going to check in with Dylan, and I'll check in with Leo and see how they're doing. They got here just a few minutes ago, and so they've already got ladders set up and they're already starting to wash windows. But so we'll get checked in with those guys and we'll get some more video. All right, stay tuned. All right, I've got Dylan here working on some garage door panes of glass. This is something that we do quite frequently, and so he's done that one up there in the corner already, and so now he's just doing the bottom. Then he's going to wipe around the edges, get anything off of there, probably be able to get those little white spots off right there. Hopefully we'll get those off, and we'll keep moving around. All right, I got Leo here washing windows. This is the front door. This is a very unique front door. It's 3 large panes of glass. I love it. So what he's doing, is it one pane? One pane. Excellent. With divider mullions on it. Excellent. So what he's doing right now is he uses that white pad to get any bug, poo, or bird droppings or paint overspray. Gets that off. So he soaped it up, and then he kind of rubs it with that textured white pad, and then we're going to see some technique here. Oh, look at that. Winner. Look at that. Touched it once, done. Now he's going to just do a little bit of detailing and drying the edge of the frames. Love it. Quality. Love it. Excellent. Good work, Leo. We've got windows inside and out all taken care of, and took 3 people about 6.5 hours, and oh boy, but she's going to be happy when she gets home. Yeah, this is a good one. Another quality job done here on Fox Island, and got the windows done and just taken off. So if you're needing window cleaning and you're in the South Puget Sound area, we would love to help you out, and that's what we're doing right now, is just window after window after window. So if you need window service in the South Puget Sound area, let us know. We'd love to help you out.